how to create profile lock on your Netflix account in your mobile phone. And okay guys, here, go to Netflix account in your mobile phone. Here in Netflix homepage, you can see here the profile. So for my example, I create profile lock on this Chad profile. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the edit button on the upper right side on your screen. And now you can see the pencil icon on this profile. Okay, tap this. And now to create a profile lock, okay, you can see here the profile lock here. So add a 4-digit pin to this profile. Okay, you can tap this. And now you can create a profile lock. So make this profile private by adding a 4-digit pin that will need to be entered to access it. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the create a profile lock button here. Okay, tap this. And enter your account password to make change. So you need to enter the password of your Netflix account. And after you enter the Netflix account password, tap OK button. And now you enter or add a 4-digit pin to create your profile lock. So for my example, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we have successfully create a profile lock on this profile in your Netflix account. So okay, as you can see the lock icon on this profile. So if you want to tap or open this, okay, you can see the enter your pin to access this profile. So okay, that's it. Okay, we have successfully create profile lock on your Netflix account in your mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.